Hi everyone, welcome to another Salesforce training video. In this video we are going to study triggers, and then in triggers we are going to use AddError method, how to make a field in Salesforce required. Okay, for that I would like to open one of the candidate. As you can see, I already made it required. Now I just want to comment it out, so it is by default. If you create a trigger, it is active. So there are two ways. If you do like this, then there are no any logic here, it will not do anything. So other way, you can go to setup. You can go to setup and then just triggers. In quick find menu you can write trigger, or you can go to the certain object and to see the triggers, Apex triggers. There are triggers as you can see here. So mine was trigger different. Some are active, some are inactive. Candidate trigger. Yeah, insert city. This is my trigger. It is already active as you can see. So you can, if you want to edit, make it inactive. This is the way. Just click. So I wanted to show you. So the same thing, it is here and also here. As you can see, it is same thing. What is my candidate trigger insert city? I would like to have, my city in candidate object required. For example, if I enter like candidate 2 or 3 and candidate 3, and then if I don't put city, then what happens? It really saves. But if I want to make it required, for that, I will erase this part, and then it is before insert, like I am going to enter new record. So if I enter new record, then in my candidate object I'm going to create one by one, and then in create a list of trigger.new, it will be collection of the new record. And in this, if in this each record, if the city is null, then give error. So there is one thing here. This error method is we used to make a field required in Apex. So if you write the name of this, or you can write that short new candidate, ANSI. You can write ANSI. ANSI, and if you ANSI.error, if you write, I'm going to do both the scenarios so you will see the difference. If ANSI city is null, then give error. Now let me show you. It is now, I'm Control S, I save it. Now I go to candidate object. I will create a new one, a candidate 3, and then I will try to save it. As you can see, my here review the following field, city. Go to city, and then as you can see, city is, let's say, where New York. Then if I try to save, my error message was in the city. Now I would like to show you one more thing about this. If I go to, I erase this, city, and then I save it, or I can do here. I already, if then erase the city, Control S. Now if you see, I'm going to add a new candidate 4. I will add a new candidate 4, and then I will not type city. You see, this time I got the message city cannot be city field, or city cannot be null. So if you enter here Dallas, so what happened? If you write the field, you want to see the message in field name, then you write here the field name, like city. If you want to see the message in the field name, if you want to see message in the page, then you need to erase the city name, so you will see this message: city field cannot be null. That's all for this lesson. I hope you understood. So if you want to learn more, watch me on YouTube.